In this tutorial, I will show you how to print A4 size in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design and type A4 document in the search bar. Select the A4 document size, which is 210 by 297 millimeters. This ensures your design matches the standard A4 paper size used for printing. Once the editor opens, you can start designing your page. Add text, images, shapes, or graphics depending on what you want to create, such as a flyer, poster, or document. While designing, make sure important text and elements are not too close to the edges of the page. Leaving some space around the edges helps prevent anything from being cut off when printing. After finishing your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download and choose PDF Print as the file format. This option provides the highest quality for printing and keeps your design sharp and clear. Click Download and save the PDF file to your computer. Finally, open the downloaded file and choose Print. In the print settings, make sure the paper size is set to A4 before printing. That is how you print A4 size in Canva.